What do you think about this phrase? Why did you do this to us? A young man at the age of 25 was asked this question by his parents. Why did you do this to us? Also, there was another young man at the same age. He also was asked the same question by his own parents. Why did you do this to us? See, these two young men are at the same age. The parents asked the same question, but the way they asked the question, the tone in which they posed the question, the way that they use the phrase is entirely different. It depends on the situation. Now, listen to me carefully. For the first young man, the parents posed the question very sadly. Son, why did you do this to us? We are so embarrassed. We got hurt by your act. The second young man, his parents asked the same question in a different tone. Son, why did you do this to us? We are so proud to have you as our son. What is the difference? The circumstances, the situation makes the difference. The first son spoiled his life because he was addicted to drugs. He was living with the wrong crowd. He had all the bad habits in his life. And because of that, on looking at the son, the parents were so depressed and disappointed by his behavior. They asked the question, son, don't you know that we love you so much, but you have spoiled your life. You have cheated us. You have hurt us so much. Why did you do this to us? In the second case, parents were very happy and they exclaimed this phrase, this question, son, we are so happy to have you as our son. Why did you do this to us? We never imagined at this age you would build us a house, a beautiful house. And we are so proud to have you as our son. See, these are the different situations. This is the situation we could find in our world today. There are so many young people who are still honoring their parents because they know the value of their parents. They know that their parents, how much they sacrificed just for the sake of the good life of their sons, their daughters. They have worked a lot. They have spent their whole life in bringing up their children to a good position. So knowing all this, so many children value the love of their parents. They put hard work and smart work and coming up in their life. So this type of young people, they are always honoring their parents by their behavior and way of life. And the second kind of people, because they run around with the wrong crowd, because they don't value the sacrifice of their parents, because they don't value the love of their parents, they just ignore their parents. For them, what matters is that their own needs only to be fulfilled. If that happens, they are happy in life. They are not bothered about anyone around them, even their parents. See, the same question was asked by Mother Mary towards Jesus, but in a different situation. The Holy Family went on a pilgrimage to the Holy Land when Jesus was at the age of 12. But at one point, they missed the child Jesus. They had to come in search of Jesus. Finally, they found him at the temple. On finding Jesus, Mother Mary posed the same question. She uses the same phrase, "Son, why did you do this to us?" It's a different situation. See, this is a situation of a mixed feeling. On looking at the intelligence of Jesus, the wisdom of Jesus, that Jesus was able to answer back and forth to the Pharisees of the temple, the teachers of the law of the temple, Mother Mary and Joseph both were surprised and happy. And on the other hand, they really missed Jesus. So it was a mixed feeling of missing Jesus, and also it's a moment of pride. A little boy, their own son, standing in front of the learned people and arguing with them, giving them answers for their question. It's a happy moment. As children, we, following the footsteps of Jesus, should we not honor our parents like Jesus? Even if we don't honor our parents like Jesus, let's not degrade them, hurt them like the first son who spoiled his life running with the wrong crowd, having all kinds of bad behaviors and addiction. Let's avoid that and try to live a happy and a prosperous life, which will be always been appreciated by our parents, whether they are alive or not. That will be a great honor for our parents. Amen.